Hey everyone, welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Rachel. Hey guys.
So today's episode is a fun one.
Yeah, because today we're just talking like friends. Casual, relaxed, everyday English.
No formal interview, no structured lesson, just the kind of conversation you have with a friend over coffee.
And that's exactly what a lot of learners find hardest. Not grammar, not vocabulary, just relaxed, natural conversation.
So today we're going to show you what that sounds like and break it down as we go.
Let's get into it.
Hey Rachel, how have you been? It feels like ages since we properly caught up.
I know, right? It's been a crazy few weeks, honestly. Work has been full on, but I'm good. Finally feel like things are calming down a little.
Yeah? What's been going on?
So we had this big project launch at work. I've been talking about it for weeks, and it finally went live last Thursday. And honestly, it went really well. I was so relieved.
Oh, that's great. You were so stressed about that.
So stressed. Like every day, something new came up. But it's done now, and I'm just happy to breathe again. What about you? How have you been?
Pretty good, actually. Nothing too dramatic on my end. Teaching has been really enjoyable lately. I have this new group of students who are just really engaged and motivated, and it makes such a difference.
Oh, I love that. You can really tell when you're enjoying your work, can't you?
Completely. It just flows differently. Like even the long days don't feel as long.
That's the best feeling, honestly.
Okay, let's break that down quickly.
So, catching up means getting updates from someone you haven't spoken to for a while. Let's catch up is something friends say all the time.
It feels like ages means it feels like a very long time. Ages here doesn't mean literally years, just a long time.
Full on means very intense, very busy, very demanding. Work has been full on lately.
Went live means something was launched or made available to the public. The project went live last Thursday.
On my end means from my side, my situation. Nothing dramatic on my end.
And it just flows differently means the experience feels easier and more natural. A really lovely natural phrase. So, any plans coming up? Anything to look forward to?
Actually, yes. I'm going home to visit my family next month. I haven't been back in about 4 months, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, nice. How long are you going for?
Just 5 days. Not long enough, honestly, but it's what I can manage with work right now.
5 days is better than nothing. Are you doing anything specific while you're there?
Not really planned anything, just being home, seeing my parents, spending time with my brother, my dad's cooking, which I genuinely miss so much.
Your dad's cooking. You talk about that a lot.
Because it's that good. I don't even eat as well here as I do at home, and that's embarrassing to admit as someone who likes cooking.
That's very honest. What about you? Anything planned? What are you up to coming up, Mike? Actually, I might go away for a long weekend next month. Just thinking about it at the moment. Somewhere not too far, maybe a few hours away. Just a change of scenery.
Oh, you should do it. Even a short trip makes such a difference.
That's what I keep telling myself. I just need to actually book something instead of thinking about it.
Classic. Just book it. Future you will be very happy.
Future me is going to be very grateful, yes.
Quick breakdown.
Something to look forward to means something in the future that makes you feel excited or happy. I need something to look forward to.
What I can manage means what is possible given your situation. 5 days is what I can manage right now.
Change of scenery means going somewhere different to break the routine. Even a short trip counts.
Just book it. A very natural, encouraging phrase friends say. Stop thinking, just do it.
And future you, a fun, casual way to talk about yourself in the future. Future you will thank you for this. Oh, I have to tell you something that happened to me last week. It's embarrassing, but also kind of funny.
Oh no, what happened?
So, you know I walk Max every morning, right? So last Tuesday, I went out, still half asleep, and I'm walking around the neighborhood, and I'm nodding at people, saying good morning, feeling very awake and put together.
Okay.
I get home, I walk past the mirror in the hallway. I'm still in my pajama top. I walked around the neighborhood in my pajama top for 30 minutes.
No.
Yes, I had put on proper trousers. I don't know why that was the priority, but the top was completely pajamas.
And people saw you?
People definitely saw me. People said good morning to me, and I just confidently good morning back. No idea.
I love this so much. Max must have been so embarrassed.
Max had no opinion. Max was just happy to be outside.
That is so funny. Okay, that makes me feel better about the time I went to work with two different shoes on.
Wait, what?
Both black, similar style, but absolutely not the same shoe. Didn't notice until my colleague pointed it out at lunch.
At lunch? You went all morning?
All morning, confident as anything.
We are not morning people.
We really are not.
Let's break this section down.
Sharing funny stories is such a big part of casual conversation with friends, and the language here is very natural and relaxed.
I have to tell you something. A great opener for a story. It builds a little excitement.
Kinda funny means a little funny, not completely funny, maybe a little embarrassing too. It's embarrassing but kinda funny.
Put together means looking neat, organized, and confident. I was feeling very put together.
No idea. Short for I had no idea. Very casual, very natural. Friends shorten phrases all the time.
Confident as anything means extremely confident. She walked in confident as anything.
And sharing a similar story back, like Rachel did with the shoes, is a great conversation skill. It shows connection. It says, I understand. Something like that happened to me too.
Okay, I feel like we should do this more often. Properly catch up, I mean.
Yes, 100%. Life just gets in the way sometimes, doesn't it?
It really does. We should set something in the diary, like actually plan it.
Agreed. When you're back from your trip, let's do dinner. Proper sit-down dinner somewhere nice.
I love that plan. Something to look forward to.
Exactly, and you can tell me how the trip was, and I can tell you about the home visit.
Perfect. I'm already looking forward to it.
Same. Right, I should actually get going. I've got a few things to sort before the end of the day.
Yeah, same. This was really nice, though.
Really nice. We needed this.
We did. Okay, speak soon.
Speak soon. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Quick breakdown on ending a conversation naturally.
Life just gets in the way means other things become priorities and you don't make time for what matters. Very relatable.
Set something in the diary means make an official plan, schedule it. Let's set something in the diary.
Sort a few things means deal with some tasks or responsibilities. I've got things to sort is a very casual British English phrase.
Speak soon, a warm, casual goodbye between friends, much more natural than a formal goodbye.
And notice how the conversation ended. We made a future plan before saying goodbye. That's very natural between friends. It keeps the connection going.
Okay, let's quickly go through the key casual phrases from today.
For catching up, how have you been? It feels like ages. What's been going on? Nothing too dramatic on my end.
For talking about plans, any plans coming up? Something to look forward to. Change of scenery. Just book it.
For telling a funny story, I have to tell you something. It's embarrassing, but kind of funny. No idea. Confident as anything.
For ending a conversation, we should do this more often. Let's set something in the diary. I've got things to sort. Speak soon.
All very natural, all very casual, all very real.
All right, that's it for today.
So today, we showed you what casual conversation between friends actually sounds like. Relaxed, natural, a little funny sometimes.
And the key thing, casual English is not simpler than formal English. It's just different. It has its own phrases, its own rhythm, its own rules.
The more you listen to it, the more natural it starts to feel.
Your challenge today, think of a funny or embarrassing story from your own life. Try to tell it in English, just the main points.
Use these starters. So this thing happened to me. It was embarrassing, but kind of funny. I had no idea until...
Say it out loud, even to yourself. That's real practice.
You've got this. We mean it.
That's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
If this helped, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps us reach more learners just like you.
Leave a comment below. Tell us a funny or embarrassing story in English. We love reading them.
New episodes every week. Don't miss them.
Until next time, keep it natural, keep practicing, and keep growing.
See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.
Bye.